told you I was going to wrap it. Well, here's my Tyvek paper. It's called building wrap. I don't know why I always call it paper. And I cut it. It was 7 by 8. So I cut it 7 foot long out of the 150 foot roll, and then cut a foot off of that. And then I marked the center of this, and then I transferred marks to the edges, pencil marks, 22 by 44. This one happens to be, because I wanted to get this on there nice and straight before I wrap it. It's going to kind of be like that. Oh, you know what? I still have to wrap the sides. But it's not very much. So that's okay. Glad it's not windy today. And see, here's that stuff I got from Home Depot. You can buy this stuff too in rolls. They just happen to have it. It's nice, they happen to have this right out by the contractor's door. That way, if you got to tie something down on your roof, in your trunk, the back of your truck, and you forgot your rope, use this stuff. So I'm going to wrap this right up underneath here. They're nice and tight. And I usually like to try to tie it off on a corner. I'll get it over here, tie it on this corner. Leave it a little long so I've got something to work with. Okay. Looks pretty snug, huh? Tie it like string, like you're wrapping a Christmas present, you know? Keep your thumb on there. Keep it tight. There. I'm gonna leave the pieces a little long. Not gonna hurt anything. That way, when I get done with it, for the winter, I can reuse the same string if I want. Right? Okay, now I've got to kind of wrap it, kind of like a Christmas present, because I want to put some more. I want to put some more rope string down at the bottom, and I'll use. Just got some shipping tape here. I'm going to use this to kind of hold it together before I wrap it all the way. Maybe something like that. Hold that on there. You can see this. I can hopefully, I made it just a hair long so I can kind of tilt this and stick it underneath. that under. Something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is going to help hold it until I put the string on there at the bottom. The other one wrapped up nicer because it was wider and I didn't have as much overlap. It's okay. Take that and fold it under. I'll do that in a minute. I first want to get this other side. See how I'm going to wrap that. Kind of the same way. Okay. The other one was really super windy. I didn't have anybody to help me, so it was a real pain to do. Fold this one back. So, that's a little better. This should last me all winter long. Tape comes off, I don't really care about the tape that much. String ready. I'm tying it over here so because the door is over here, so I'm just getting it on the outside just so I don't see it. That's all. You can reposition it. Scissors, my skizzers. Over here. I wrap it twice, you know. It's as tight as I'm gonna get it, right? It's as tight as it's gonna go. And voila, here's the boss. She happy? Not quite sure. It was getting snow on it, and it was all dirty, and I had to wipe it off and clean it off. And so this will protect it all winter long. She's not saying anything. Whatever. And there she be. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.